Hello everybody, my name is DEBASIS Dash. Today is the 14th day of the training. These questions are the assignment for today. So the first question is, when do we perform regression testing? So when all the features passes on the QA server, then we perform regression testing. Then what are testing artifacts or deliverables for tester before production release? So the testing artifacts or deliverables for tester before production release are release notes, release sign off email, then regression testing report. Then the second question is, explain the step-by-step product development process. Uh, so let's assume we have a client or product owner. So there are some pre-sprint activities which happens. So first, the client or product owner comes in. So the roles of client or product owner are share requirements or ideas. Then business analyst comes in. The roles of business analyst are requirement gathering, analysis, question and answer, backlog creation as user stories. Then Scrum Master comes in. So the roles of Scrum Master are Scrum Master are backlog grooming, then create sprint in Jira. Then project manager comes in. The roles of project manager are team coordination, client coordination, and a project management plan. Then UI or UX designer comes in. The roles of UI or UX designer are project specific UI elements and designs. Then backend developer comes in. The roles of backend development, the roles of a backend developer are environment setup of development, QA, production, and automation. Then front-end developer comes in. The roles of front-end developer are local system setup, then UI component design. And then manual tester comes in. The roles of manual tester are necessary tools access, then necessary tools access, then necessary tools access, then the design test plan, then automation tester comes in. The roles of automation tester are software setup and design automation test plan. Then the third question is, what are some of the reasons of missing a bug by a tester? So the reasons of missing a bug by a tester are with the course of time, the test suits wear out, lack of time to test the area, then required documentation is improper. Then what is the release notes? Explain with the help of an example. So release notes refer to technical documentation produced and distributed alongside the launch of a new software product. For example, recent changes, features enhancements, or bug fixes. It briefly describes a new product or details specific changes included in a product update. So that's all about today's assignment. Thank you.